Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, men and women of goodwill. This is afternoon edition of Lamentation 71, and your original conductor still remains Emmanuel Uromiju known as the Gracia or the Sea of the Seer. Anywhere that you are watching for, share this very program across every other platforms. And if you have not subscribed to this very platform, Remedios TV, please do well to hit the subscription button. Subscribe to Remedios TV. And if you wish to support this very platform, you can do it on this very platform through Super Chat. Let us go, please. Let us go. Now, before I go into the program today, there is something that I wish to bring to the notice of the general public. We said we are looking for freedom, and we are looking for freedom. Let us stop backstabbing ourselves. There is something that happened. Ogechi, Okeke, Njaka. Ogechi, Okeke, Njaka is not somebody that I love, but I love every Biafrans. No matter whom you are, I love you. But your stand may not be my stand. And I will criticize you for that stand. I will talk about you in that stand. But to do you evil. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is somebody, if you look at me, I don't love her. I don't fancy her style. But not that I hate her. There is something that happened. They arrested her yesterday. And there is something that Governor Eziokwu said on her case. On Ogechi Okeke Njaka's case. Governor Eziokwu said that this is the person raising money for IPOB. This is the person raising money for IPOB. Governor Eziokwu, I have seen the apology that you made, that you people have tendered, and you people must go and release Ogechi Okeke Njaka for that particular comment that you made. That is how I feel. Every well-thinking Biafran must take note of that comment. For that particular comment, work to see that you release Ogechi Okeke Njaka because and you made a very big mistake. Again, Jpac was involved in the arrest of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ogechi Okeke Njaka have done too many bad things, which I hated. She have done too many bad things, including releasing nude of people, conspiring against people, but arresting her, saying that this is the person that donates money for IPOB. You people must see to his release very fast. You people must see to her release very fast. That's very fast, as soon as possible, because what are you people meaning? And again, Jpac, people are not seeing what you are doing now, and none of them can call you to order. I do not hate you. In this Biafra agitation, I love everyone, man. At freedom. For freedom of me and your own children, so that intimidation such that you people are doing. Imagine you arrested a woman and you are saying, Ogechi Okeke Njaka, despite her bragging and talking rubbish on social media, she's just a woman. If you can brag at her, what about the woman that you married at house? Some of you will bring your stupidity on social media. And Jpac, you have brandished many days ago security and said, I have no problem if security is protecting on our life, but such a security have been fingered in the past of arresting our people simply because they are freedom fighters. So those security or not security is not an avoid. Any security pledging allegiance to Nigeria or working with Nigerian government is not an avoid in our land. And you have, in the time past, encouraged such security that at the end of the day, our people die in vain. Our people die every time. You have in the time past encouraged such security. I am now asking you to retrace your step. Jpac, retrace your step. Now is the time that you need to retrace your step. Don't allow people to see you as evil. Because when it happens tomorrow, people will say, oh, look at, such an innocent man, but you are now building and drumming for other people to buy, and people are watching you. Now let me go to the program that I have. This guy called Nkere have been busted big time. Nkere have been busted big time. And I want to draw your people's attention to this nonsense. Freedom is what people desire, not this scamming the people of Biafra. We do not wish any scam to our own self. What we wish is for freedom, which the people desire to come. Not scam, not scam, not scam. Please, not scam. And Nkere have been busted to be using, he registered Biafra. He registered Biafra government in exile 1 year ago to his name. To his name. He registered Biafra government in exile 1 year ago to his name. And these are the people, 1 year ago, he registered. Let me read the registration to you people. Company name, Biafra government in exile, in Ile Corporation. Entity type, Maryland Domestic Corporation. File, blah, blah, blah. Filling states, Maryland. Filling status, incorporate. Filling date, March. Please note, March 8, 2023. March 8, 2023. January, February, March. Okay? That was last year, March. He registered Biafra government to his own private company. This time around, PM was around. Now look at the defense of his pet he-goats. Look at his defense. He said, let me educate you, pet freedom fighter. The recharge card, he is abusing me that is working tirelessly. Nobody in government gives me recharge card money to be able to broadcast. I generate it from this YouTube. And he's abusing me. Oh, he's making so much money, but he monetizes YouTube, yet collect money from the government, yet collect money from Okeke. Are you not a criminal? Are you not a criminal? I'm asking you. Ndoshi. Biafra business. Ndi Biafra business. My name is the registered agent to my small-scale business company. Name. Registered in my country of residence. A company cannot register itself. You have to use your information to stand for the registration. Look at, a company cannot register itself. Did you register Biafra government? Biafra government was registered 2022. Late 2022. These are the criminals. He is now changing it to look as if he stands for Biafra government in exile. 1 year ago. 1 year ago was when you registered. But Biafra government was registered 2022. Late 2022. In America. So who are you talking about? Ndediri. Criminals. This guy went and re-registered Biafra government in exile to his own name. Now, please pay very close attention to see the criminality here. Company age, 1 year, 10 months. 1 year, 10 months. That is the company age. Registered agent, Isaiah Anyog. This is it. Principal address, Hamilton Ave, Baltimore. Okay, look at it. Governing agency, Maryland Secretary of State. Look at it. Now, there is something that I would love to show you people here. This is This is Google. Let me go to Google to check how you register a company. In most jurisdictions, registering a corporate company name requires that the name not be misleading or already in use by another entity. Using only your name to register a company that doesn't belong to you alone may raise concern. This is how to register a company. This is according to America. This is the same America where he registered his company. This is the law there. In most jurisdictions, registering a corporate company name requires that the name not be misleading, number one, or already in use by another entity. This time around, the Biafra government in exile is in use by a government, and he went and registered it to his own private company. To see the Biafra business, not today. In this one, let us be justified that what Mazugo said, that he told that Okeke, that is Nkere, Isaiah Anyog, told what are they calling him? Nkere na your vision 555, that AC. I pity that Oluku. I pity him. Tomorrow he will come back. Oh, look at, I have every document so that they plan against Obo. This is me for you. When I am talking about you, I talk about you to where you see my face. I don't know how to brag at the back. I don't do backyard meeting. I talk about you here on this very platform. You see my face. Anybody telling you, oh, I don't do backyard meeting. Now, using only your name to register a company that doesn't belong to you alone may raise concerns. Okay? 1. Misrepresentation. If the company name suggests sole ownership or association with you, it might be considered misleading. Are you getting it? 2. Potential conflict. If other individuals or entities have interest or claims to the company, using your name alone may lead to disputes. Do you see it? 3. Compliance issue. Registration requires often involve disclosing the company's ownership structure, directors, and shareholders. Using your name alone might not accurately reflect the company's true ownership. Do you see it? In my country of origin, I registered my logo. Now, rubbish. I read this thing. People that you, these buffoons, people that you trust, that somehow that they will get Biafra to you. Do you want to see how your stupidity is smelling? That went at the back to register Biafra, knowing fully well all these laws exist. He registered Biafra government in exile to his name as his own private property. This goes to show that Elias is a criminal. You see that criminal called Elias, he's a criminal. I'm telling you people the fact. Because me, I don't know how to hide things. Now, having done that, this same person let's assume that he's registering using his company to stand for Biafra. His company is Easy Auto, registered in Baltimore. His company is Easy Auto. Now let us go. There is something that I want to show you people. I don't know if I captured that here. There is something that I want to show. Do you know why registering they said he should put his AKA name? His AKA name, that Nkere he brought to Biafra government. It's not his AKA name anywhere. Because they told you, oh, if you bear other names, they will ask you. Other names that he bear have been entered. Why using fake Nkere to come? Because his AKA name reached 4 in that registration. In that this thing that come out. People are digging deep. Biafra people are digging deep to the criminality of this very man. 4 or 3. That is his AKA name. Then Nkere is out of it. He used Nkere to come and meet Prime Minister. Till Prime Minister was arrested, Prime Minister knew him as Nkere. Somebody said something that he told PM, I don't know, he told PM that this Nkere that this guy is bearing is never his real identity. Do you see scam? Biafra business. All those money you embezzle. Look at it. When you hear Eziokwu, you will expect that too many cars are parked there. Ụmụ moto apakịrị ebe a na ọdụ ka ndị nke eji ebu pure water na be anyị. Lee ya ebe a. Ihe a bụ moto asị. Ihe a bụ moto asị pakịrị na nke okoko o jikwa ere moto na Amerịka. Iru ebe a moto kwuru. Ihe a bụ moto ọ biko ụmụnne m leenụ moto. Lekwa na ole moto ọ shi wee kwu. Ihe a bụ dị moto. Izi ọtọ. O ji wee na-ere moto. Na-achụ ụmụ be anyị ọya agba ọsọ ahịa. Now, I have said, the criminality that goes into what he is doing is over alarming. There was a day that Nkun na-akpọ vagi. Chiamaka, Raphael Chiamaka Ajere was doing program and he said something in that program. He said that one of our brother in Baltimore, Maryland is selling motor. That his company is Easy Auto. That people should go and patronize this our brother's car selling business. And who is that person selling the motor? It turns out to be Nkere. Why do they lie to your people? Making it to look as if it comes from another person. Me, you see me, if you are telling me the truth, I will follow you. But if you start everything from questionable, in my year 0419, I followed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because I see truth in what he is saying. I followed Mazi Simon Ekpa because I see truth, all because of my first consultation. I was told that Mazi Simon Ekpa is loyal in the spirit and those who are after him are hyenas and jackals. Those who are after him are hyenas and jackals. I followed Mazi Simon Ekpa because of his credibility, not because of any other thing. I followed Madam Dr. Ngozi Arabueze because she is open. She mentions everything open. If it is somebody that have a criminal agenda, that person will not tell you, oh, I belong to people's club. That person will say, okay, the person will be careful. If I tell you this now, it means because she have ulterior motive. But she's open in whatever she does. In whatever she does, she's open. Now, there is something that she put out there, that the Biafra army will be paid. As a country, you pay your army. Now, I saw this thing. Yeah, you have career army, you have volunteers, and you have career soldiers. Those career soldiers, you pay them. Those volunteers, they will be. Now, you must make your army to be standard. Now, I watched something that this guy is saying, or was saying. What are they calling him? What are they calling him? This Okeke. Kesi na ya Royce. Sonia Parawa. Even Sonia Parawa fake. Royce fake. Immediate. Kona Zagene. Immediate. Only God knows if it is original. Oh, fake. I watch what he's saying. Oh, the same way he countered when Dr. Ngozi Orobeze said, we are doing open recruitment. He countered it. As a country, you don't know that you must do open recruitment. As a country, you don't know that there are volunteers. If you volunteer, you don't know that there are career soldiers. So that you push your effort in whatever you want. You don't know. So you say, oh, we don't pay. Oh, you don't pay, but you receive $400. You don't pay. You don't pay, but from poverty, you are now a big man. You are now boasting of a big man. You don't pay. Where is all those money coming from? So monkey the walk, baboon the chop. People's children are languishing inside this thing. Not only you, they chop the money. Now, most of you shouting volunteer, volunteer. Why haven't you volunteered yourself? I was there. If you see the life of these people, only God will have mercy. During the time that DOS were there, I was there. I went there to see them. Infections, if you see these people, you will cry. No good water. No good dressing. Most of them go Okeke. Somebody, some people when obi eberesi na ha chọrọ ime ihe a, eweta ya butere ha. The commanders will bring it. Ha na-choose na why na. Then inside there, they still tax them payment. Somebody you are not paying. The person don't have access to outside. There is what we call welcome commanders at times, or melee commander even. You find out that those people are still contributing. So if they go outside to rob tomorrow, you will say, oh, these people are robbers, but you are the person that pushed them into robbery. If they go outside to kidnap tomorrow, you will say these people are kidnappers, but you force them. Where do you expect them to get money to pay all those levies? Or you don't think that they are paying levies? I was there during the time of DOS. Now, when I said I was there, Obontonu Ruago went and shared my distance. Oh, look at him. He's saying that he's one of them. Obontu, were you not shouting that you was one of them then? Were you not shouting that you are reserved? That you will come when the time comes? These are illiterates. Bulldog, nwa nwaanyị ogiri na Nnewi, ogiri shigburu nne nke kpagidere attach uche mefe achọ na attach. Tell him to snap that attached shop that ọ na-anọ n'ime ya. It belongs to Uchemefo. Uchemefo have collected it back. That is the reason why you see him na-agbagharị ọsọ ahịa. The attachment shop belongs to Uchemefo. He have collected it. Ask him to do video from the attachment shop again. Hey, I'm a attach, I'm a business. He was not having his own business there. The business that he was, the shop that he was, belongs to Uchemefo. One of the illicit investment that Uchemefo used IPOB money to make. After Kobodiya, go and ask him. Let him tell you the truth. Who owns the attachment shop? I will do program tomorrow morning if I have time, because there is one of his video that I have to expose him. There is one of his video. Gentle, gentle, nana action film. Gentle, do you know, he did not even know that the guy he is mentioning is a well-known armed robber. Gaga John Ndaka Okwa. I mean, Ndaka Okwa. Gaga John Ndaka Okwa. There is no big man Ndaka Okwa na Amahaya. He is a well-known armed robber. When I mentioned, I had a secure on this song. A well-known armed robber that went to snatch only my face to face. Who you are, boss? Why are Okadoji Webia? Why Okadoji Webia? My common and the guy that I'm Baba. Oga, why you? Oh, why you? Young. Ya m ndị na-apụta abịa sị lee ọkpọ ntụ n'uru agụ brandishing a well-known armed robber that went to rob in broad daylight. Ọma na ndị ma ihe emi aja ahụ ya. Ọma na ndị ma ihe aja ahụ ya. Okeke Sofia is a well-known armed robber. And na-ekwusi achọghị m ikwu some certain things ka ọ hapụ ịsuspect. Ndị ọ na-aga erika. Egome material gụcha ya aga bue n'azụ. Look at the person ọkpọ ntụ n'uru ahụ nwa nwaanyị ogiri is marketing to you people. Ihe na-anaghị eme. Let me leave that one. It will be for another day. I'm gonna get that guy's record, criminal record. N'aka. Ozi ihe ọ na-eme ọchịrị people ya aga side ihe a. Chọọ onye ọ ya anapụ moto gagasuo ya buka ya. Ozi nke a. Mbasị nta abịa chọọ na Owere nchi. One thing that I promise you people that are committing criminality in our land, in Biafra land, is that keep on. The God of Biafra will arise one day. It's just a day. The God of Biafra will arise. It doesn't matter your rubbish, how to cover up your criminality. It doesn't matter. But one day, God of Biafra will arise. And you can never eat your cake and have it. I am Emmanuel Oromejews. From me from here. With the biggest love in my heart. I say, keep on listening. Oge Nkere na ndị otu ya awụ n'onwe ha n'ala. Forgery, criminal record. These are the people that somehow you believe na ha yenye gị Biafra. Ndị oshi. Biafra ya abịa ndị oshi ọkwa ndị a. Ọkwa these people. It is well. Share this very program, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and if you wish to support this very channel, you can do that through Super Chat. Stand up now and be counted.